Right guys, so here we have a PS controller, haptic feedback, adaptive trigger, microphone and comfort. So inside it we have this a warranty card, and then we have this controller. So it's in maroon color. So if we scan this QR code here, it will show us like which kind of controller is it. And also if we zoom in or see this number here, F5, so 5 means that's the BD05 controller, like the latest edition in this. And in it here we have the USB port for charging, the microphone and the headphone jack, and the speaker here. And here we have this controller which I got with my PS5.